All right. So, so far what we have talked, we have understood that there is a lot of data that can be put into Salesforce. And in our last session, we were talking about entering the data one by one manually, right? Into leads, campaigns, accounts, opportunities, contacts, right? So these are a few of the tables. So what are these? I mean, these are all of them are tables. At the back end, these are like tables. Okay, and all these tables, completely form a database. Okay. Now the point is that this data that we are putting into our Salesforce manually. Now, is it possible to put the data manually always or every time? The answer will be that not possible, right? Not possible, or I mean, even if you do it manually every time, it might be a little time consuming some of the times. If you have to create one account, it's hello, yeah. Is my voice audible now? Clear? I think some of the candidates are not able to hear my voice, so just wanted to do a voice check. Sarabjit, can you hear me now? Is that clear? Because a few of them can hear me, so just wanted to understand if you can hear me clear. Sir, it's fine. Okay, great, thanks. So coming back to the thing, yesterday when we were discussing about entering an account detail or a contact detail, till the time you have one record or two records, you can do it manually. Think if you have 10,000 records, you have purchased a list. That is what some of you suggested, right? We will purchase a list of accounts or companies. If I have got a list from somewhere and I have, let's say, 10,000 accounts in that list, and all those need to be created inside Salesforce. So in that case, in case we do it manually, that will be a time-consuming affair. So what we would do rather, we would do a bulk upload. So it's pretty simple. You guys might have heard of these kind of concepts. So it's pretty simple. You do bulk operation on data, right? So we will talk about importing data. Importing data means if I have a lot of records and I want all the records to be created in Salesforce. We will talk about export of data. If I want to take out data from Salesforce to an Excel sheet or something. Okay. Then we will talk about mass delete. Sometimes you also might need to do a mass delete. Mass delete means deleting records in bulk. Okay. So this is what we are going to talk about. So first thing, let's talk about import of data. Right? How do you import data? It's very simple. You should have data in an Excel spreadsheet. Okay. So if you have many records, you need to put that in an Excel spreadsheet. Save it as CSV format. Save it in a CSV format, .csv format, and go to Salesforce, import it. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Okay. So let me take a simple file. I have a sample file here. There are 4 companies listed here. Right. Let me try to do an import here using this file. Just give me a minute. Hello. Yep. So let's say this is the file, okay? So we have 4 contacts or 4 accounts here, basically 4 companies. You could have had 4,000 or you could have 10,000 accounts here. Now we want to do a bulk upload. So one option that we have is go and manually, go to account and make one entry, then go make the second entry. But this time we want to do an import here. So first thing you'll have to do when you have the data in this kind of an Excel spreadsheet, just go and save it into a .csv format. Save as CSV format. Okay. Once you have saved the file into a .csv format, go to your Salesforce and go to setup, go to data management, say import accounts and contacts. There's an option of importing accounts and contacts. So just click on that and then click on start the import wizard. Then click on next. Here it will ask you to select the file that you want to import, so just choose the file that you want to import. So make sure you select the CSV file. Here is the CSV file, open it. Okay. This encoding thing will be Western European here for English. Okay. Now it asks you a question here. Contact matching type and account matching type. So I'm not trying to import contacts, I'm trying to import account. So account matching type is name and site, it's fine. Do not check this thing